Hello, in this video I will show you how to make money without money or a job. Now, it's a very easy process and I will show you 3 ways how you can do this. Now, the basic thing that you will need is Canva, and you don't even need the pro version of Canva. You can just simply do this with the free version. As you can see, I'm currently on the free version. So, you can get the paid version once you've started making money, but in the beginning, you can just simply start with the free version. Now I will give you a basic rundown of how Canva platform works. So, over here, you will have a lot of options and a lot of flexibility to do a lot of things. For example, there are a few things like creating landing pages that you can do, creating YouTube videos or YouTube thumbnails, or logo animation or logo designs. You can do a whole lot of things. You will find the project panel over here. We're going to upload all your projects and it will be listed right over here. All the projects that you have worked so far. Then you will have inspiration section right over here, where you can get a lot of pre-made templates by other creators that are on Canva, as you can see right over here. And after that, over here in the brand section, you can upload all the things related to a brand over here. And then in the end, you will have the app section right over here. And then you can just simply use the apps which are available right over here, and you can make money with them as well. Now, to start doing anything in Canva, you will first need to create a design if you're trying to create a design, or you can just simply search for the thing that you're doing right over here in the search box. So let's say, for example, you want a logo. So just simply search for logo right over here. And then just simply hit enter. Now you will get a lot of designs, as you can see right over here. And most of them will be easily customizable. So you will find that a lot of them have a crown option, which is the pro version right over here, as you can see. So if any one of them have a crown version, you will not be able to use that logo because it is a paid logo. So the logo that you're looking for is the type of logo that doesn't have a crown option. Like for example, this one, or this one right over here. They are all completely free. So let's say, for example, you want this one over here. Open any logo. Then click on customize this template. Now, once the template is open, you will have full access to change, remove, or add things right over here in this particular canvas. You can change the letters. You can change the name. You can even add animations if you'll go in the animation tab, which I will show you in a bit. So changing the items over here is very easy. So let's say, for example, you want to change this alphabet. So all you have to do is just simply double click on that alphabet and just simply remove that and change it. So let's say you want Z over here. Then just simply click anywhere else. And as you can see, the alphabet is changed and is still keeping the same animation. You can also change the text over here. The text below over here as well, the font of the entire logo from right over here, or you can even change the design by choosing a design right over here. Let's say, for example, you want to add your logo in a YouTube video and you want that logo to be animated. You can also do that. So just simply choose the entire logo like this. Then you will have an option of animate. Click on this option and then you will have some options. As you can see right over here in the preview, you will have a bunch of options. So you can just simply go around over here and just simply see which one looks the best. It's totally up to you. And then let's say you want to apply any one of the animations. All you have to do is just simply click on that and then the animation is applied. So if you want to check the animation, click on display option right over here. And right over you can see the animation. Now, if you want to download anything after you have completed the project, click on the share option. Then click on download. You can just simply choose the file tab over here and then click on download. Now, in this case, it is an animation. So it is a MP4 video file. It might be an image, a JPEG. It's totally up to your project. Just simply choose the format right over here. Then click on download and then your project will be downloaded. And after that, you can use them or even monetize them. It's totally up to you. Now, the 3 ways that you can use to make money is from Pinterest, Instagram, and Fiverr. Now, it could be also Upwork or any freelancing website. So firstly, what you have to do is in Pinterest, you have to create posts in a particular niche that you like and have passion. So as you may already know, Pinterest is one of the most visited websites on the planet and has a total of 1.2 billion viewers every single month. So there is a lot of audience that you can get in Pinterest. Now, what you have to do is you have to get an audience base in a particular niche. Let's say, for example, people who are interested in traveling or adventure, like right over here. So as you can see, this is a post surrounding around adventure or traveling. Now, you have to create an account, then you have to add content on that account regarding that particular niche. And then what you have to do is in every single post, you have to add an affiliate link like this right over here. And then if you provide enough value on your content, then the audience will click on your link over here and then they will buy something that is related to your niche again. And after they have bought, you will get a commission. So the process is extremely easy. All you have to do is you have to go to Canva, then just simply search for Pinterest pin. Then just simply search for your niche style over here. Let's say, for example, as our niche is traveling, so something like this over here. Pick this up. Then click on Customize this template. Now just simply customize the entire pin over here and try to make any content. You will find a lot of ideas right over here as well, like this one over here, or maybe this one. You will have a lot of styles that you can go with. So all you will do is just simply create a pin, then click on share and download the pin. And after that, when you will have a pin, as you may have already created your account on Pinterest, you have to go to your account and then you have to create your own pin by going to this option right over here. Then create pin. And then just simply add your image right over here. And after that, you have to add a title, description, and then you have to add the main link. So to get the affiliate links, you have to go to any affiliate marketplace, or you can even try to do an affiliate for an individual travel company. So it's totally up to you, and getting the link is very easy. Like for example, from a ClickBank, which is the affiliate marketplace, you can get an affiliate link by just simply clicking on promote. After choosing an affiliate product that you want to promote, click on promote, enter your nickname, then just simply click on create hop link, and that will give you an affiliate link. Now copy this link and paste this link right over here. So what this will do is when people will click on this particular link, which will take them to a landing page of that particular product that we just added, and then they will just simply do a quick sign up or buy a product, or just simply fill in their name and or just simply fill up a form or whatever they have to do in the particular website. It's not your problem. If they do purchase anything from the website, you will get a good commission. So as you can see, in this particular product, you will get a commission of $24. So just simply get some clicks, and then when people will buy from this link, you will get the commission. So after you've created your post, just simply click on publish, and after that, try to publish at least 4 pins a day for at least 3 months. And after that, you should start seeing results. Now in the second method, we will again be using the affiliate strategy, but this time we will be using it on Instagram. So over here, what you have to do is you have to create a faceless account on Instagram. So as you can see, this is a faceless account, and the face that you can see right over here, it is also AI generated face that you can get for free from Midjourney or Leonardo AI. So as you can see, this particular page is promoting a newsletter, which you can see right over here. So if you will see the content on this page, you will find it is completely faceless, and it also has a good audience base, as you can see from the likes and comments ratio. So what you have to do is you have to also create a page just like this. Not in this exact niche, but it should be faceless. As you can see right over here, you will not be seeing any face in any of the reels over here. So what you have to do is, let's say for example, in this particular niche, which is motivation, you can go to ChatGPT like this. Just simply ask ChatGPT to write 30 motivational quotes, as you can see right over here, and then ask ChatGPT to arrange it in a table format like this. And then when you will have the data, just simply copy the entire data like this and paste it on an Excel sheet just like this. Now arrange it properly. So after you've arranged it properly, just simply remove the background color by highlighting the entire list over here. Then just simply change the background color, and then change the text color as well. And then just simply create a table by going to this option, and then all borders. Now once you have your sheet ready, go to file, then just simply click on save, and then save to a location, like for example desktop. And then in the save as type, just simply save it as CSV right over here. Now once you have completed this process, go back to Canva And this simply gets a post like this over here. And all you have to do is just simply copy and paste the data right over here. So for example, just simply copy this, then paste it right over here. Now for the author, do the exact thing. Let's paste it right over here like this. And just like that, create all the post. Now, if you do have a paid subscription, what you can do is you can create bulk post like this. As you can see, I had a same background, but created multiple variations of the same post, as you can see right over here. And all of that happened in just a single click. Let me show you how. You can just simply use an app called Bulk Create. So you can just simply click on this application right over here. And if you're unable to see this, go to apps, search for bulk, then the Bulk Create will appear. Just simply get the pro version of that, and then you will be able to create bulk post using the CSV that you just saved. All you have to do is to simply apply and then choose the correct criteria, and then just simply hit create, and all of your posts will be ready, as you can see right over here. And once your post is ready, just simply go to Instagram, create a face account. Just simply get a face from Leonardo AI. So just simply search that. And right over here, you can get a realistic looking face without a problem, as you can see right over here or right over here. So just simply get a realistic looking face, and then just simply create an account and start posting content on it. So on Instagram, try to post at least 4 to 5 reels and at least 2 posts daily. And again, in order to see results, just simply wait for 3 months, and then you should start seeing the result. And make sure to create a good bio, and don't forget to paste your affiliate link in the bio, as you can see right over here for this particular page. Now, lastly, you can also make money using a freelancing website like Fiverr or Upwork. So what you can do is you can make thumbnails or blog posts or logos. As I just showed, you can do a lot of things on Upwork. So let's say you have an idea of how you can create a thumbnail on Canva. So what you can do is just simply search for thumbnail, or just simply search for YouTube. Then you will get YouTube thumbnails. Now, as you can see, you will have a lot of thumbnail templates that you can use for free and paid, and there will be no copyright issues as well. Like for example, this one over here. So you can change the alphabets over here. You can change the images, the colors, text, everything, and then you can just simply use the thumbnail on a video. Now, how you can make money? So what you do is you have to create a free account on any of the softwares like Upwork or Fiverr. Then you have to submit your profile as a YouTube thumbnail creator. So once you will do that, you will start getting gigs from people who want their YouTube thumbnail. Then once you have your gig, go to Canva, just simply create a thumbnail or described by them what the style they want, what type of thumbnail they want, and what type of text they want on their thumbnail. Just simply get the info and create your thumbnail right over here. It's a very easy process, and in this process, you can instantly get money. In this option, you don't need to have a lot of experience to get started. So if you know a little bit or even nothing, you can start from the scratch and you can start making money. So that's all the way how you can make money. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.